Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper in your Windows PC. To do that, simply right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar. If you're using Windows 11, you can easily go ahead and access settings. And if you're not using the Windows 11, you can easily go ahead and click Windows key on your keyboard and simple type in settings and you'll find it as well. It's going to take you over to the settings where you can easily find it. The steps are pretty similar, but as I'm using the Windows 11, I'm going to show you here. So you want to click on personalization on the left hand side, and from here you will find backgrounds here. So it says background image, colors, etc. You click on that, guys, and here you will find your current wallpaper. Now, to change this, look towards the lower right and you'll find browse photos. You click in that and you can choose something from your PC. Once you select something from your PC, you click and choose image and it's going to set it for you. If you have other images on your computer that you already use as background, you will find those right here and you can just easily select. And as you can see, I select, it changed the image right there in my computer. And so that's how I can easily go ahead and change the wallpaper on my PC.